Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Myself Dr. Akshay, and in today's session I'm going to be discussing about the topic venous pump and venous valve and their effects on venous pressure. The gravitational pressure effect would cause the venous pressure in the feet to increase up to 90 mmHg in a standing adult. However, the valves in the veins are arranged in a particular manner so that the blood flow will always occur towards the heart. So, every time when a person moves his legs or when a person tenses his leg muscles, a certain amount of venous blood is pumped towards the heart. This pumping system is known as muscle pump or venous pump. So, see this figure. This is that valve. Here you can see the blood is propelled towards the heart. So that's why this valve is having a shape of an upright triangle. So when the valve is not pumping blood, the valve will be having a shape of an inverted triangle like this. This indicates the closure of the valve. This muscle pump is very effective so that under certain circumstances, the venous pressure in the feet of a walking adult remains less than 20 mmHg. If a person stands still perfectly, at that particular point of time, venous valves does not work, and this causes the venous pressure in the lower legs to increase up to 90 mmHg. That too about 30 seconds. At this particular point of time, the venous valves will be having a shape of an inverted triangle. The pressures in the capillaries will also increase greatly. This causes the fluid to leak from the circulatory system into the tissue spaces, thereby causing the legs to swell and diminishing of blood volume. So that covers the topic venous valves and venous pump and its effects on venous pressure. I hope you guys learned about this particular topic. Thank you so much guys. Love you all guys. See you guys in the next session.